Hi everyone, my name is Ina with BellaFX.com. I'm going to do a quick tutorial for the bullish engulfing pattern. It's one of my favorite candle patterns, especially on the daily and the weekly charts. It usually never fails me. So I'm going to do a quick explanation of what it is. A bullish engulfing pattern is when a small black or red candlestick is followed by a large white or green candlestick that completely engulfs the previous candle. As I've highlighted right here, here is the small body candle and here is the large bullish or a blue or green, depending on what colors you chose for your platform. Candle. Okay, we see here that it engulfed this candle right here. So this is on the daily chart, and how I put my entries is these lines that I chose right here. So I take the base of the small body candle, okay, and my stop would be underneath the wicks of the small body candle and a bullish candle right here. Okay, it'll be a little below that because we know stops actually come a little lower. So as we see here, the price rallied, it created the bullish engulfing, it came back, to our entry point. It didn't really go further down, but there are instances that it does, it can go further down. That is why we use protective stops. After that, it rallied. My actual first target would have been here, just because it's near the 145, which is a major number, and there is supply right here. Of course, I would have watched, how the market reacted. I always watch the end of how the daily candle closes, so that's another indicator. Let's look at some other charts to see if we can. Yeah, there you go. USD yen. We've seen here that the pair created a bullish engulfing at the 109.576. However, here's an instance to where the price did not come back to get you and let you in. So sometimes the price does not come back, it does not retrace right away to let you in. So over here you would have missed the trade, but it's fine. This is Forex. There is many other opportunities. There is another candle pattern right here. All right, our stop would have been here. So there you go. So right here, it created a bullish engulfing pattern. It rallied, came back, came down. It played around a bit here. It almost hit our stop loss and then rallied. As we see here, it created doji, and then it dropped. It broke this little demand, but I'll make other videos explaining why this had a drop this way according to candle patterns. Okay. There's another one I want to show you. Pound USD. Pound USD was a really nice one too. However, this again did not come to the base of the small body candle to enter us. As we see here, the price did not reach down here. So my next, if I'd missed this trade, let's say my next entry would have probably, I would have waited until price broke this and closed above. And as we see here, I would have put my entry right here because this is previous supply and it closed above the supply right here. It broke the supply, broke above, it played around, came back to get you, and then rallied again. Okay, this is on the daily chart. I am looking to short here as well. Let's see, New Zealand. Bullish engulfings. Bullish engulfing. Boom. There we go. Base. Stop at the wicks. All right. So we see here, this isn't such a small body candle, by the way, guys. However, our bullish candle is bigger, engulfing this candle, so this can be considered a bullish engulfing as well. However, I will not be putting an entry here because price failed to break this area of supply. So this can play around here for a while until it actually breaks. Once it breaks, however, I will put an entry in for a long, and vice versa. If it breaks below this bullish engulfing, I will put an entry for the downside. So if you have any questions, you can contact me on Instagram at BellaFX_. Just DM me there. It's probably one of the easiest ways to get in touch with me. And you can also subscribe to my website at bellafx.com. There's a totally free section and there is a signal section if you are an interested trader. And also I do have some educational videos as well on there. So feel free to go on and check it out. Have a good one.